If you're looking to protect your Wells Fargo checking account from declined transactions or overdraft fees, setting up overdraft protection is a smart move. Here's how to activate it. First, log into your Wells Fargo online account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section. From there, select overdraft services. You'll be presented with options to link eligible accounts for overdraft protection. You can link up to two accounts. One saving account and one credit account. If you link both, you can specify the order in which funds will be used to cover overdraft fees. If you don't specify, Wells Fargo will first use your linked savings account. To link a credit card account, ensure it's confirmed. If it's not confirmed, no funds will transfer to cover overdrafts. Once confirmed, please allow up to 3 business days for your overdraft protection service to be fully enabled. Alternatively, you can set up overdraft protection by calling a phone banker at 1-800-869-35557 or visiting a Wells Fargo branch. Remember, overdraft protection helps cover most transaction types, including ATM and debit card transactions, check bill pay, recurring electronic payments. However, if you choose to link a credit card account, interest will occur from the date each advance is made. And like always, if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. You gotta go hit that like, subscribe, and comment section button. And yeah, if you do have any questions too, just link them down below. I'll come back with a video or an answer.